Hey everyone, wondering if Truecaller is still worth in 2025? In this quick review, I'll break down what it does, its biggest pros, the cons you need to know, and my final verdict. Let's jump in. Step 1. What is Truecaller? Truecaller is a caller ID and spam blocking app that helps you identify unknown numbers, block spam calls, and even chat or make calls during VoIP. It's available on both Android and iOS and is especially popular in countries with a high number of spam callers. Now, let's talk about the pros. It instantly identifies unknown numbers and spam calls, blocks telemarketers and robocalls automatically, lets you search numbers and see their name, offers calling, recording, Android only, clean, user-friendly interface with real-time updates. Now for the time of cons. It requires access to your contacts and call logs, raising privacy concerns, which might be an issue for some people, which actually is an important issue. And then some features are like advanced spam blocking or behind a paywall, may drain battery or slow down some devices if it's playing back in the background. Call recording isn't supported on all phones. And for the final verdict, if you're tired of mystery numbers and spam calls, Truecaller is still one of the best tools out here, especially for Android users. But if your privacy is big concern for you, take a moment to review the app's permissions. That's my honest 2025 review of Truecaller. Hit like, subscribe, and let me know your experience in the comments. Stay safe and scam free. Thank you so much for watching.